In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to unban a suspended Reddit account. I'm going to show you two methods to do this. So watch my video completely till the end. If you're watching my video for today, I'm very much sure your account with Reddit is suspended. I'm sorry about that, but let's try and see how we could appeal so that we could try and get back your account. When your account is suspended, it's a simple thing that you try to log in and you get a notification pop up. That's the first method to try and get your account unbanned. On that notification, you are going to get a link to click on or a tab to click on so that you could fill up a form and submit an appeal. You could fill up the form accordingly and you could tell Reddit that your account was suspended in error. You did not do anything wrong. And if you by chance do not get a form to fill up after you log in, what you could do is get hold of a laptop or a PC, or you could also do this on your smartphone. Just open the Chrome browser and put this link in reddit.com/appeals. Once you do that, you may just have to sign in. Just sign. You're going to see or get an option to fill up a form out here. You're going to get a link. All right. Right now, my suspensions are removed, so I'm not going to see anything, so I cannot show you, but you are going to see a link out here itself to click on. So you click on the link and then you fill up the form and submit it. Please do not go ahead and listen to anybody online if a website is suggesting that they provide a service of unbanning Reddit accounts for a fee, or if there's a hacker on Instagram telling you that they could unban your Reddit account for a fee. Do not pay anybody to help you unban your suspended Reddit account. Nobody else can do it apart from Reddit. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.